Hello traders, in this particular video we are going to be breaking down one of the most structured and concept driven strategies in the game. Okay, uh, we're going to look at the Bill Williams Profitunity D1 strategy. So this system combines market psychology, momentum, and trend structure in a way that few other strategies do. All right. It is built for clarity, not clutter. So let's just quickly start with the basics. The Profitunity strategy is based on Bill Williams' approach to chaos theory in trading. All right. If you know about Bill Williams, he believed that the market is not random. Okay. It moves in phases that reflect the behavior of participants. So to identify those phases, he developed a set of custom tools like the Alligator, Awesome Oscillator, and Fractals. All right. Now, when used together on the daily time frame, they create a system that is as mechanical as it is intuitive. Okay, let us just look at these indicators one after the other. All right, so now let us look at the alligator indicator. All right, the alligator indicator. Now, as you can see, this indicator is made up of three smooth moving averages. All right, the jaw, we have the jaw, which is blue in color, we have the teeth, which is red in color, and we have the lips, which is green in color, right? Now, when the alligator is sleeping, the lines are tight and moving sideways, like what we can see happening here, right? And then these signals show low momentum or consolidation. So basically, when you have the alligators entangling each other and moving sideways, it shows a consolidation state. Let us look at the behavior of the candlesticks around that period. You will notice that the candlesticks were basically moving sideways while the alligator were entangling each other and moving sideways. All right. Now, when the alligator wakes up, the lines fan out, showing a strong directional move. Okay, so this is your first clue. Only trade when the alligator is awake and trending. Okay, when the alligator is asleep and going sideways, you should just stay out of the market. But when the alligator is awake and trending, when it's moving in a particular direction, then you can look for a good opportunity. When it is trending upward, you look for buy opportunities. And when it is trending downwards, you should be looking for sell opportunities. All right. Now, let us quickly talk about the Awesome Oscillator. Okay, next indicator is the Awesome Oscillator. This measures the strength of the current move compared to the overall trend. Okay, so you're looking for color shifts and zero line crossovers. A green bar above the zero line confirms bullish momentum, all right, while a red bar below the zero line confirms bearish sentiment. All right, so this step keeps you trading in the direction of strength, not against it. So basically, you want to use this indicator to gauge the strength in the market. If you look closely, you will notice that when the green bars are above the zero level, it shows that there is bullish strength, there is bullish momentum. All right, but when the red bars start to appear, it shows a potential pullback against the bullish trend, obviously, right? So the green bars show bullish momentum. When it's above the zero level, it's a good time to buy. The red bars shows bearish momentum. When it's below the zero level, it's a good time to sell. Okay, so just like how the red bars appearing above the zero level shows a pullback against the bullish trend, a green bar appearing below the zero level shows a pullback against the bearish trend. Okay, but you should trade in the direction of the trend. All right, so you want to look for buy opportunities when the green bars appear above the zero level, and you want to look for sell opportunities when the red bars appear below the zero level. All right, now let us talk about fractals quickly. Let me just add the fractals to the chart. Let's look at it very closely. All right, the Williams fractals. Okay, now these are simple 5-bar patterns. That's the fractals, right? They're simple five-bar patterns that mark potential breakouts. Okay, on the D1 chart, remember that this strategy is focused on the daily chart. All right, so on the D1 chart, a break above a bullish fractal confirms upward continuation, like what we can see happen around here, right? You can see that we had a bullish fractal here, right? And then you can see that there was a breakout to the upside, confirming that bullish continuation, but only when it aligns with the alligator and the awesome oscillator. Okay, so this is where discipline matters. Do not take signals in isolation. You want all three tools saying the same thing before you enter. The beauty of using the strategy on the daily chart is the reduced noise. Okay, you are not chasing signals. You are letting price come to you with clear confirmation. So this is a strategy built on waiting for the right setup, not reacting emotionally. All right, if you want to be a successful trader, you have to learn to put your emotions in check. Okay, you can't let your emotions to play out anytime they want. Yes, you are a human being, but as a successful trader, which I believe you want to be, you need to learn to put your emotions under control. All right, so you focus on what you see on the market. You trade in line with what the market is giving you. If the market is showing you a bullish trend, just trade in the direction of the trend. If the market is showing you a bearish trend, trade in the direction of the trend. You have a setup, you have a checklist, you have a strategy. You trade in direction, you trade in line with your strategy based on what that strategy is saying. Like this particular strategy we're discussing in this video, the Bill Williams strategy that involves these three unique indicators, the alligator, the AO, and the fractals. So you want to ensure that the three indicators are giving you a buy signal before you proceed with a buy trade. And you want to ensure that the three indicators are giving you a sell signal before you proceed with a sell trade. Okay? A very straightforward strategy that you can start implementing on a demo account right away. Then if you notice that it's working well for you, you can proceed to a live account. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next deep dive into classic strategies that still work in modern markets. Drop a comment if you've used the Profitunity system before or you want to break down on how to backtest it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.